It's so nice. This is they actually bread roaster. Keep your bread inside there and roast it. This and that which I showed you. These are the pots. These are the water pots, soil pot, whatever you call it. And these are the standard, the whisks. These are the whisks. You stir it like that. Hey, I'm unboxing it now. This is. Got it. Hey, come on. Oh, once I cut it, it'll have. Oh my. Then. Oh. Easy. Oh my. This is a little harder. I don't know why. But they had it right tightly, so this is why. So I don't know the location where this Amazon factory is of Tiny Utensils. Whoa! I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. Can you imagine? This is just all for me, and I'm just only one person. So I'm going to show you all of these utensils one by one. Wow, I think I found the perfect one. Now see this? I'll just open it like this. Now, whoa! This is for keeping spices, as you can see right here. And these tiny cups, you may be asking, these are for keeping all the spices in. Suppose you keep coriander here and red pepper and cinnamon, whatever you like in this. So let's close this up. Let's take this big jug and whoa! Look at this, it's so polished. It's even shimmering in the light. And this is his plate. And don't worry, they will not scratch because these are stainless steel. Look at this. This is also stainless steel like that one, but this is a little bit thinner. Wow. Look, this is some kind of a karai which you kind of stir. Well, wow. And very good metal too. I even got these washers around here stuck on, so let's keep it right here. You guess what this is? This is a bucket. This is for getting water in. Now I got this even open, and just turn on that. Instantly opened. This is the same size as it, but only just a few inches smaller, as you can see. So bigger sized. Whoa! What's this? This is some kind of grater. Ow! Sharp. Be careful around grater because that's just sharpen my finger. Whoa! Like if you want to grate something, here's a average, here's a small, and here's a partially medium size. And this is for cutting chips. Now, oh, what's this? Whoa! These are actually grocery trolleys, which are these are small. I cannot find any of this. Whoa! I have actually two. Let's keep also this. And these don't have wheels. That actually fun. Like suppose I want to keep this here and whoa, it actually rolls. And yes, I got 2 packs of these. Where's the other pack? Yes. These are actually stirring spoons. These are some kind of stirring spoons. And if you want to stir something, yeah, like that. This and that last. Okay. And I don't know what is this. This is a bread toaster. Oh, yeah, like that. This is a bread toaster, and this is for like hanging somewhere. You just put a slice of bread inside here and whatever butter you want, and close it. Let me put this bread toaster over here. And remember, that's not something funny. This is something I never seen in my own kitchen. I mean, my mother's own kitchen. This is some kind of thing to serve. Suppose there's something kept in here, and I'll just take one of these spoons, and just correct it. Like suppose you want to like this, and like this. Now, whoa, what is this? These are some kind of stands. I even got tons of these. I got tons of these, and we find even more. There's 4 of these things. Suppose that in this pot is something very hot. And then you wanted to put it away. And then like that. You put it like that. Either stands. Oh, what's this? Let's try to open it up. Oh, this is a water jug. It even has that hole built into it. See that? Hole over there? This is the, if you want to fill some water in here, I have actually 2 of these. Well, I don't know how many I ordered, but these also my mom ordered. And whoa, this is even another pot to carry water in. See this? This is sealed around here. You can give oil, you can give buttermilk, whatever you want. These are some cookers, which suppose if a pot is extremely hot and you really don't want to burn your hands. Suppose here's a pot, and if it's very hot, it's simmering. You can take it like this, and like this, for anywhere you like. Oh my God! I never seen such tiny bucket. It is something like this I showed you back over there, but it's much bigger. Look at this. It's compared to this. Just look at the size and diameter at the front. It can carry even more water, and this can carry less water. So big bucket, and I even have many of these lying around over here. Even you can take baths from this, but I even got a bigger bucket. Oh my God, this is my favorite thing. I will for surely know now when I will go to school, I will take my food in this. This is a hot case actually. It has different compartments. Like let's try to open one. Whoa, this is a bit broken. This is first, and this is the second compartment. It even has this tiny. This is the third. This is 1, 2, 3. This is the third, and this is the kind of fourth with this lid on. Oh, there's a fourth with this lid on. Let's keep that over there. This has a final lid, which is also closed from the back side and the downside. I even got 2 of these things. One for me and one for my sister. She is a smaller than me. Whoa, look at this. It is a tea strainer. I even got one here and one here. Again, it is tea. This is for like straining tea, which is only enough to strain us like 1 tiny cup of tea. You can keep something you don't want to strain. You put it like over here and pour. Okay, so I found something. Whoa, this is a whole tea set. There's a whole tea set in here. They come with cups, whatever I want. I got so many cups. These are saucers. And also these saucers, they're many, the same amount as the cups. So if you want to take some tea like this, yummy. Like serve any tea. This is I even got more of these cups, and the handle is very secure as well. The saucer is the same size as the dimple, and it fits perfectly. Oh, I think I found the bigger version of this. The thing I have is the tape back side. Oh my! This is a karai. This is very big compared to this is a flat and this is a deep one. So giant karai. Okay. What's this? Whoa! I never seen this. I don't know what this is. There's something inside. Since this is a very special one, I'm gonna show to open both of them. Oh my God! This is an idli maker. You pour your batter in one of these. You open up these and you pour your batter in one of these dimples. As you can see, there are 3 of them. Okay, I'll put them back. This is idli maker. And yeah, this is smoking the idlis. And it even got these tiny handles, but these are very hot. Next, I think this is some kind of cooking pot. These are some kind of bagonas. And these are the lids. 1, which is the biggest. 2, which is slightly smaller. And 3, which is smaller. And this is very small compared to the first one. Let's put them all back together. Okay, so first I take the biggest one. I'm showing you fast in motion. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. And with their lids, perfect. Look what I found. Glasses. And thank God they're not congested like those graters which I showed you. Let's unwrap one glass. And I think this can also fit in one of these saucers, I guess. which I showed you back in the teacup. This is even one of the good for it, and it's even a very good lid. Now every morning I'll take my water in this. So these are some bigger size plates, and I don't know how many they are. In my opinion, they are like 2. Now, so these are some bigger size plates. I even have another pack of the same thing, and this comes with also 2. Whoa. I have more of these somewhere in my older set of utensils. 4, and this also have 4. I forgot to show you these plates too. These are not the same size. Oh, this is so small. And this one is a little bit bigger. This is slightly bigger. And this is I think the same size as this. No. These you can mistake this for this set. These are both the same size. Whoa, what's this? These are some kind of big dongles which I already have, but I have the same size which is partially smaller. There's 6 in total, and they're all the same size. There's no any size difference in all of these right here. Let's take this and put it over here. Oh my god, what is this? Just like an apple. It is actually a pumpkin case. It has nothing inside. We can keep anything you like, even liquid things. It will not go bad. But what a beautiful look at this. It's just like I can eat it. Oh no. So don't eat it. It's metal. Look at this. These are plates. These are multi plates. Very heavy. And these 6 plates are in here. Totally 6. And I even got these to show. These are so many, I cannot count them. They're like 25 over here. But these are also plates which are bigger than this. I'll show you by testing one of them out. This can hold less food. This can hold more food. I forgot to show you this right there. I'm very glad I did not forget this. This is a kind of cooker. It does not have the whistle but yeah, this is a cooker. If you want to cook some rice, cook it in this. Or if you want to just heat up anything, heat it up in this. Any dal or whatever you like. And finally, best for last. This is the biggest pot I ever seen. This is the biggest in all the utensils I showed. There are 4 of them. Here is the last. Okay, now this is my total utensils. These are the whisks. You stir it like that. This is a very funny utensil. It's called the bread roaster. Whoa, the cups, the shut of the cups. They're very divine. And that is correct. Okay, I'm getting very hungry, so about to lunchtime, and so I'm gonna cook my food in all of these tiny utensils, whatever I need. So bye, stay safe, and always thanks for watching.